Yes, all are ready? Start. It was the case set up by the plaintiffs that the defendant appellant was requested to abstain from taking the law in his own hand and stop illegally and forcibly interfering in possession of the plaintiffs over the land in dispute, but he refused to do so. Stop. Hence the suit. Stop. On notice, suit was contested by the defendant by asserting that the land measuring 60 canals, 1 marla, situated in the revenue estate of village Batla, West as per Jamabandi for the year 1945 to 46 was owned and possessed by Pradeep Singh and Sandeep Singh, who validly sold and delivered possession of the same in favor of the defendant appellant on 25th September 1961. Stop. The land is dispute was said to have been allotted in lieu of the aforesaid land measuring 60 canals, 1 marla during consolidation and settlement proceedings, and as such the defendant claimed to be owner in possession of the suit land. Stop. The defendant appellant claimed that due to ipse dixit of the revenue and consolidation official concerns and inadvertence the mutation of the aforesaid land was not entered and sanctioned in favor of the defendant appellant, who, however, remained owner in possession thereof till consolidation, and after the consolidation proceedings became owner in possession of the suit land. Stop. Next para. The defendant appellant denied that Pradeep Singh and Sandeep Singh were owners in possession of the suit land. Stop. The defendant appellant also denied the validity of the alleged registered sale deed dated 31st December 1976, allegedly executed by Pradeep Singh and Sandeep Singh. Stop. It was admitted that Savitri Devi was general attorney at the time of execution of the sale deed dated 25th September 1961. Stop. Next para. It was also the case of the defendant appellant that in view of the prior sale of the suit land in favor of the defendant, the subsequent sale deed dated 31st December 1976 was void, illegal and not at all binding on his rights. Stop. Neither Pradeep Singh nor Sandeep Singh was owner in possession of the suit land at the time of sale in favor of the plaintiff respondents on 31st December 1976, nor could they deliver possession of the same to the plaintiffs. Stop. The factum of delivery of possession to the plaintiffs was denied. Stop. It was denied that the plaintiffs are owners in possession of the suit land since 31st December 1976, or that their alleged vendors were owner in possession of the same prior to that. Stop. Over.